Century Bob, and what I use him for. In some of my videos, you may have noticed Bob in the background. Bob is definitely a member of the family or the household here, mainly because he's so useful for a lot of different things. He was really purchased because he does make a good punching bag. He's weighted with water at the bottom. He's pretty close to hitting a 200-pound guy, and he's adjustable, so he stands from 6 foot tall down to some puny, like Marianne height. I don't know how tall this is, but it's pretty short for a person that you're going to hit. But Bob's also useful for other things. So because Bob's about the same height as I am, and because he has fairly strong facial features, I use him for setting the focus when I'm working with the camera, because when it's just me, it's hard to get the camera and the lighting and everything set up. So I put the glasses on Bob so that I can see whether or not I'm going to get glare, and then I set the focus so that I can clearly see his features, and Bob works pretty well as a stand-in. And then since, you know, Bob and I have the same muscular physique, it's a pretty close analog. You know, with the exception of the blonde hair, he and I get mistaken all the time, and since I've been running my hair a lot shorter lately, yeah, we're practically twins. But he's a good deal, and he was available on Amazon fairly cheap with Prime shipping, which saved a lot of hassle because Bob's kind of hard to move in a car. He does come apart, and he's bolted onto the chassis, so the box he came in was still, though, this tall and square. So you're not going to get this in the back seat of a Ford Focus, for example. But Bob has worked out pretty well, and like I said, I use him for everything from photo shoots to workout. So he's been a good investment.